Hello everyone. Today we will see the topic is like user is unable to log into the server. So in real time, you will receive a ticket or a mail saying like one of the user is unable to log into the server. So when you receive a ticket like that, so as an admin, we have to like what are the things we can check from our end that we will cover today. So first of all, you will try to ping that server from any of your jump server or any other server. If that particular server is pingable or not, like say like this, by using ping the host name or like ping the IP address. So if you are getting the responses, then we can say like the server is accessible. So now try to log into that server uh, with your credentials with your user ID. So once you log in, first check whether the SSHD daemon is active or not. So here it is showing active. So it means there is no issue with the SSHD as well. Okay. Okay. Now we can check whether that particular user is present in the server or not, which the customer or client is accessing. That user is present in that server or not. By using id command we can check. So for example, if the particular user is not present in the server, it's not exist, then we can directly inform to the customer saying the so and so user is not present in the server. So for example, if the user is exist in the server, then we need to check two things: whether that particular user is a AD user or local user. If that user is a AD user, then we need to route the ticket or like route the mail to the AD team to check from their end. So if the user is a local user, then we need to check few things from our end. So if the local user is present, then first we need to check like whether that user has the proper shell or not. Shell we can check by using by typing like a password in passwd file. You can see. See, every user has the default shell bin bash. So if that particular user has bin no login, if no login set to that particular user, then that user cannot able to log into the server. So if you want to change, for example, there is a summer user for me in the it is a passwd. So if I want to change it to bin no login, yes, we can change it. User mod -m and /bin /no login and username. Okay, sorry, hyphen caps. Sorry, not m. Yes, user mod -s bin no login and summer user. So now we can see what is the status of summer user. See, the summer user shell is set to no login. So it means that this summer user cannot log into this particular server. It cannot log in. So until unless you change back to bin bash. So again we can change it back to bin bash. If you found like this, then you can change. You can inform to customer and you can change the shell to bin bash. User mod -s /bin /bash and summer. So it's changed back to bin bash. So this is the one reason, and the other reasons is we can check the password status. See here it is showing password is logged. Password is logged for this particular summer user. So in this case, user cannot able to log into the server. So what we need to unlock the user's password. So we can unlock by using -l and summer. So here it is showing like status success. Password is unlocked. Now you can check the status again. So still it is showing password is locked. So it means that the user's password is expired, might be. Maybe user is locked. So user password is different, user account is different. So user account status user mod -u summer. So now we will see the status of user. See, the user is logged, user password logged. I have unlocked it, and also the user account is locked. So now we can see there is no lock status. Now the user is able to log into the server. So I will show you few things here. See here you can observe this is the default encrypted password. So when you create a user, you will get the you won't get the password here. So if let me create a user add test 1 2 3. So user is created, and now we can see test 1 2 3. See, you won't get the password. You are getting, I think you are not getting the password here. See, in this case you can set the password and see. See, password is set. Password is set. Now we will see again. See, the encrypted password is added to etc shadow file. Now I will try to log the user manually. User mod -l test 1 2 3. See, I have logged user account, not the user password. I logged only user account. Now we can see the status -s test 1 2 3. See, here it is showing user is logged. Then now we can see the status also in passwd. See, before you are not seeing this symbol, before it is not there. See, before it is not there. Here before it is only the encrypted password is there. Now the additionally the symbol is added. So if you observe single time this one in shadow file, it means that the user account is locked. So if you observe 2 times, it means that the user password is locked. So now I will unlock the user again. User mod -u test 1 2 3. See, I have unlocked, and we will see the status again. See, it is gone. I have unlocked. Now we will try to lock the user password. Test 1 2 3. See, password is locked. Status, yes, password locked. Now we can see. Sorry. Locked. See, when I lock the password, you can see the two symbols here. So it means that the user password is locked. So you need to remember this thing. You need to check all the things when you get the request like user is unable to log in. So we can again we can unlock it. See the status now. See, symbols are gone. The only encrypted password is there. I hope it is useful. It's a short video, and kindly let me know the feedback if anything. And I have created 3 videos before. Kindly watch those and let me know the feedback if anything. Thank you guys.